Welcome to our comparison of two popular power supplies, the Thermaltake SMART 600W and the ARESGAME 650W. In this video, we will explore their specifications, efficiency ratings, and pricing to help you determine which one is the right choice for your computer setup. Let's dive in. When it comes to wattage, the ARESGAME 650W power supply offers a higher output compared to the Thermaltake SMART 600W. This means that the ARESGAME is better suited for more demanding systems that require additional power for components like high-end graphics cards. On the other hand, the Thermaltake SMART 600W is a solid choice for basic setups that do not require as much power. Choosing the right wattage is crucial for ensuring your system runs smoothly without any power shortages. In terms of efficiency, the ARESGAME power supply is rated as 80+ bronze, while the Thermaltake is rated as 80+ white. This means that the ARESGAME is designed to be more efficient, providing better power usage and potentially lower electricity bills over time. The higher efficiency rating also indicates that the ARESGAME may produce less heat, which is beneficial for maintaining optimal system temperatures. If energy efficiency is a priority for you, the ARESGAME is the clear winner. Price is always a significant factor when choosing components for your build. The Thermaltake SMART 600W comes in at a budget-friendly price of $54 US, making it an attractive option for those looking to save money. In contrast, the ARESGAME 650W is priced at $99 US, which reflects its higher wattage and efficiency rating. If you are on a tight budget and need a reliable power supply for a basic setup, the Thermaltake is a great choice. However, if you are willing to invest more for better performance, the ARESGAME could be worth the extra cost. In conclusion, both power supplies have their strengths and weaknesses. The Thermaltake SMART 600W is an excellent budget option for basic systems, while the ARESGAME 650W offers higher wattage and better efficiency for those who need more power. Consider your specific needs and budget when making your choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.